Hello guys.
We are stuck here. We cannot say this is the end of the video, guys, because we are already stuck. Jump. I'm going to jump.
No, I'm going to kill.
Scared.
I'm going to kill you, and
Ah!
we're gonna go back to your spawn and find me. Okay, your stuffs are here.
Oh!
Oh no, my stuffs are going down.
I know. Where is that pole? Okay.
Your stuffs is in my
Inventory.
Yep.
When I'm back.
Except of my sword.
Where is the pond? Where is the pond? I'm lost in. Oh, I know where's the pond. It's right here. Oh, I don't have the pick. I'm going to save your life, okay?
No, wait first. I already
Mine first. Make a space first. Okay, make a space.
big space. My
No.
stones. What's that?
That's just a pig. Oh gosh, I don't have any. Faster, mine. I'm going to try and mine this stone in 1 hour. Here we go. Oh, that's the wrong side.
No, the water.
Nearly, no.
My stone. Oh, I have already a full stack of stone.
Now, making water?
Nothing. No! I'm drowned.
No, you're not drowning. I'm here to save ya. And I cannot see everything. Put down my torches.
Your torch.
Okay. Give me my stuff.
There, I just stuff.
There?
No, it's mine.
What?
That's mine.
The sword?
No, that's mine. That's all of my stuff.
Okay.
No, not all.
No, that's mine. No, we're
Yeah.
like trading. Now, going to put these. Where is the yellow flower that I gave you earlier? Give it first to me, please. Oh, this is yours? 9 saplings. What's this? Leather? Yay! Jelly eggs! Huh? The 14 fella. I can make a orange dye!
So,
What?
this is gonna be the end of the video, but later we're gonna come back.
No, it's not going to be the end of the video.
Oh.
What? You're stressed?
Yeah.